In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can carve out a niche in the school business industry. Keep watching. Welcome back. My name is Osla Ijoma, and in today's video, I'll be talking about 4 simple things you need to do to carve out your niche in the school business industry. If you're ready, let's jump right. It's very easy to start a school, but making it successful is challenging, especially when you're competing against several business rivals. So in this case, carving out a niche and positioning yourself as the go-to source for a specific audience is the most successful idea you can work on. Carving out a niche in the school business industry gives your school business a competitive edge from the get-go. It helps you establish positive recognition within the school business industry. The first step to finding a successful niche in the school business industry is to identify your interests. Yes, carving out a niche involves dedicating a lot of time and effort. So it's important you build your niche around what you absolutely love. Do you love working with children at the kindergarten level, primary or secondary level? Take some time to reflect on those areas of interest as your potential niche market ideas. Number 2 is to build your expertise in one area. Once you have identified your interest, the next step is to build your expertise in that area. Expertise is the basis upon which everything else is built. If you're starting a new school and you don't have area of expertise, it means you don't have anything to share. So you need to hold off, spend all your free time building that expertise first, so you will have something of value to share. Number 3 is to find a need. Yes, once you have identified your interest and expertise, it is important you think about the problems your target market is experiencing and which are the ones you are capable of solving most effectively. Research your competition to know what they are doing. Identify their strengths and weaknesses and areas of opportunities. The best way to do this is to talk to your prospective parents and identify their main concerns. Then zoom in on the one that you absolutely love and possess expertise on. Don't make the mistake of trying to address all the needs. Focus on the one thing that you can deliver exceptionally well. And number 4 is to repeat, improve and grow. The most essential characteristics of a successful niche business is that they create ultimate value in what they do. It's not about being okay at many things, but being exceptionally good at one thing and consistently improving your service. Repeat the steps from time to time. Improve and grow your school business. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification each time I post. Thank you for watching.